Good day. Yeah, that's on.
Okay.
Good day. Well, night. We're starting our Cincinnati trip, and it started off on a good start.
We got food.
And a side of pull over by a cop.
Yep.
For no headlights, because we forgot to turn the headlights on. So that's.
I forgot.
Well, she forgot it, but I mean, I also could have noticed. But it's funny because the only time I've been pulled over 5 times in my life, well, now 6 times in my life. Which this was, I guess it wasn't me, but I was in the car. It was my car. I've been pulled over 5 times in my life, and all 5 times it's been because of no headlights. So the fact that this wasn't even me, but it was still my car, was just, it was very comical. So, needless to say,
we're starting with a bang.
Yeah. But we didn't get no ticket. We must have been cute enough, I guess.
Thank God.
He was kind of cute, so.
It was okay. I mean, it was okay. Nothing special.
I was like, is it appropriate to eat my fries while he's checking our IDs? Because he took our license to check them and stuff, and took my my insurance card. Thank you, Pauline and Chris, for getting me some insurance card. Yeah. So.
Oh, I'm starting with a bang. We love
Yeah.
that. Little stress to start. It was great.
We're on our way to Louisville because we're crashing at Matthew's parents' house. For a second, I was like, whoa, it's blocked off. We're crashing at Matthew's parents' house, so we're going to go tonight so that we don't have to wake up as early in the morning. Like, I think we're still going to wake up early in the morning, but still we have more time in Cincinnati tomorrow. So that's why we're going now. And we tried to leave early, but the man took like 15 minutes just to check our IDs. But yeah, so yay, what a fun night already.
Yep.
Good morning. We have awoken and now we're getting ready to go to Cincinnati. We're very sore from CrossFit yesterday. So, well, I'm sore. I don't think Megan's sore. I am sore. We're tired. Oh my gosh.
When we wake,
I had to repeat what you just said.
hear the birds and see the sun.
So cute.
Side by side, our fears are done.
Yay. Our face such a chunk.
All the good times just begun.
We're here! We're at IKEA!
Yeah. You gotta use restroom.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what
Yeah, I know you were
we're
in there a
looking
while.
for in life.
Well, I stopped it because, like, I know him.
Call
So, like,
us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Even in the hard times,
This is Megan's
you
bedroom.
and I can weather any storm.
It's just got this cool lamp. And you pull it.
Before I sleep,
Before it opens.
hear the crickets, see
Before it
the
opens.
moon.
I want it.
Side by side and through and through. No limit to what we can do.
doing her business. Let her be.
Shut the door. How inconsiderate.
We
Oh my God,
know
that's
what
so
we
funny.
have, let's hold on tight.
Everybody else walking by.
Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
Oh, there's my salad bowl.
With you and I, the future is bright.
That would be funny. But we saw another toilet bowl that like somebody's butt had been on it. Like, they tried to poop on
Now
it.
we got it.
Alright.
We don't need no
That's not this bed, isn't it? It's bigger though.
even in the
I would love a bed like this, honestly. Yeah, and Max has got the taller green one, or black one. Oh, there's another one of those working lights. Let's see if that one works. I want to turn it on. On the desk, right here. Nope, that one doesn't work either.
Is it just a delay?
I don't think so.
No.
I've been wondering when that hasn't gone on.
you and I, we got it.
Probably. This closet organization, I wish I could do this.
We don't need
I would love something like this.
You got the shoe on it.
even
Yeah,
in the hard
that's
times.
good.
You and I can weather any storm.
Yay. Ooh, this room looks really peaceful. Wow.
When your body feels so tired to get out of bed,
Look at this
you
bed.
put your heart on a letter
This room looks really
to chase it
peaceful.
away. 'Cause
Oh, somebody just got married and had a baby. That's what it is. Look at their pictures up at the bed. Somebody just got married and had her first baby. It's us. It's us.
What they say, only time will tell. You know what they say, you never really care. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I just close my eyes and think of you. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I can't help myself but wonder if you still feel the way I feel. Are you sleeping with someone new, someone new, someone?
There's fish. We're in downtown Cincinnati. We're gonna go out to a coffee shop. Yay. My legs are really sore from CrossFit. I'm vlogging. Don't look at me like I'm weird. It makes me feel awkward. Corner Bistro. Wow. Well, I guess it's not half price and it's every day. You have to wait. How do you like the coffee shop? This video is good. Yeah, my coffee just went out. Alright, the sun's not out.
When I'm sleeping with someone new, I just close my eyes and think of you. When I'm sleeping with someone new.
He bounced it, the wings fly. Oh, I'll bounce you. Here, you record her. Or you bounce her. I think it's because she's in it. Okay, she's gonna break. Alrighty, well. Yeah, you want to take a photo?